Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Today, we are going to learn about irregular plural nouns. Very basic, I know, but it's always good to have a quick review. For most regular nouns like bag, we usually add an S to the end to make it plural, right? Now, there are words that end with S or SH or CH, SS or X or Z. For those words, we add ES to the end to make it plural. But what about irregular nouns? We usually make them plural by adding vowels, changing the word, or adding a different ending. For example, ox becomes oxen. Unfortunately, there are really no hard rules when it comes to irregular nouns. So it requires a bit of memorization. I'm pretty sure you are familiar with these words already, so let's start with the easy ones, okay? Ready? Knife, knives. Child, children. Tooth, teeth. Man, men. Mouse, mice. Thief, thieves. Goose, geese. And wife, wives. Yay! So level up po tayo ng konti. Let's try the next list of words. Thesis becomes theses. Fungus becomes fungi or even funguses. Alumna becomes alumni or alumnae. Stratum becomes strata or stratums. Phylum becomes phyla. Oasis becomes oases. Louse becomes lice. Datum or datum becomes data or data. How did you do? Awesome! Yay! How about this next list of words? What do you think? The answer will surprise you. That's right. No change. The word stays the same. So, as we all know, sheep, still sheep, whether it's one sheep or 100 sheep. So we don't change anything, don't add an S, don't add anything. Okay? Please remember these words. Now, I just want to include this slide because I think it's very important for us to remember. Here are examples of words that require the letter S in the end. Forever and ever. Okay? Like tweezers, pajamas, goggles, clothes, pants, scissors, binoculars, and eyeglasses. Now, this is quite hard for us Filipinos because of our translation from mga, right? For many, and we forget to add S. So you can't say, can you please give me the scissor? So that's wrong. It should be scissors with an S. Or you can't say, oh, I'm wearing a pajama. No, there should always be an S. I think there's a sort of a rule that if it comes in pairs, then it should always have S in the end, like pants, scissors, goggles. Okay? Okay, just a little note there. Now here's a list of words that we Filipinos love to add an S in the end. I don't know why, but we do. So we usually say advices or equipments or luggages, right? We kind of pick and choose, but these are the common words that we usually add S to. And I don't know why, but we do. We really, really love adding S to. So what do we do? So we have to remember never ever add S to these words like information, advice, stuff, feedback, luggage, homework, equipment, and staff. Okay? No matter how much information you see, or you can say, oh, can you give me advices naman? No, that's wrong. It should be advice or pieces of advice if you would like to be more specific. And homework, you can't count homework no matter how much homework you have. And luggage, that's a typical mistake. We usually add S to that. We don't. We shouldn't. Equipment, especially for those who are working in the technical industry. So never ever put an S. Kahit isang toneladang equipment pa yan, there's no S in equipment. And of course, feedback. It's always no S. Okay? So please don't forget. That's pretty much it, folks. Salamat for watching. Remember, I am not a grammar expert or a guru. I just love the English language and would like to spread the love of languages to all of you. That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.